Hey there, welcome back to another video of World AI News. In the world of unsolved mysteries, where questions linger and clues remain elusive, a new investigator has emerged. One that doesn't sleep, doesn't tire, and processes information at lightning speed. Artificial intelligence. And the surge in successfully closing age-old cold cases has prompted numerous police departments to embrace AI as a crucial tool in their investigative arsenal. The transformative impact of AI is reshaping how these departments approach unresolved cases, delving deep into extensive datasets to unveil concealed connections and patterns that might have otherwise remained unseen. So, how exactly do AI algorithms contribute to unraveling cold cases, mysterious phenomena, or other enigmas of the universe? Let's delve into the details. Cold cases, often associated with elusive criminals and unresolved mysteries, have been a persistent challenge for law enforcement agencies worldwide. These cases, some stretching back several decades, present unique difficulties to diminishing evidence and outdated investigative techniques. Traditional approaches frequently reach a standstill, leaving families and communities yearning for resolution. In steps AI, equipped with its remarkable ability to analyze extensive datasets, recognize patterns, and make sense of seemingly unrelated information. It proves to be the ideal ally for investigators seeking fresh perspectives on these long-standing mysteries. By inputting historical case files, witness statements, crime scene photos, and more into AI algorithms, investigators can unearth new leads and identify connections that might have otherwise remained elusive. A key strength of AI in resolving cold cases lies in its capacity to discern patterns that human investigators might overlook. AI algorithms excel at analyzing similarities between unsolved cases and known criminal behaviors, potentially linking multiple unresolved crimes to a single perpetrator. For example, AI can efficiently sift through extensive volumes of handwritten notes or transcribed interviews, pinpointing keywords, phrases, and commonalities across cases. This data-driven approach has the potential to unveil overlooked connections, facilitating breakthroughs in seemingly stagnant investigations. Furthermore, AI advancements have brought about a revolution in DNA analysis, offering investigators a fresh perspective on old cases. AI-driven tools can scrutinize DNA samples, identifying potential matches and datasets that may not have been available during the initial investigation. This newfound capability has resulted in the identification and apprehension of previously elusive criminals. In addition, facial recognition technology powered by AI emerges as a valuable asset in cold case investigations. AI algorithms can analyze old surveillance footage and photographs, potentially providing crucial leads that might otherwise remain buried in the past. One such instance where AI has played a crucial role in resolving cases is the state of New Jersey, which is notably recognized for its numerous unresolved murder and kidnapping cases. A prominent case within this context is the disappearance of Mark Heimbaugh over 3 decades ago. In 1991, a tragic incident unfolded near Mark's residence in Middle Township, New Jersey, where the 11-year-old vanished without a trace. Despite having identified a person of interest and a convicted child sex predator, the case has seen limited progress, as these leads lack the potency to result in charges or significantly propel the investigation forward. When confronted with an investigation seemingly at a standstill, the Middle Township Police Department and Cape May County Prosecutor's Office embraced a futuristic approach, employing their Volley AI service. This innovative service integrates video, speech, image, and text analysis with neural AI, potentially marking a turning point not only in the Mark Heimbaugh case, but also in the broader landscape of cold case investigations. The operational framework of Volley AI revolves around 3 fundamental principles: assesses, analyzes, and discover. By leveraging AI, detectives anticipate a boost in their efficiency and effectiveness, particularly in cases where an extensive volume of data and evidence has accumulated over the years. The application of AI in this instance holds the potential to bring closure to the family over 3 decades later. However, what role does this revolutionary technology play in the realm of cold case investigations? The initial phase, assesses, involves a comprehensive evaluation of all available evidence, data, and information pertinent to the case. This pivotal step sets the foundation for subsequent phases of the process. In the analyze stage, AI employs cutting-edge algorithms to navigate and comprehend the extensive reservoirs of data. It possesses the capability to identify patterns and correlations that may exceed human discernment. The concluding stage, discover, witnesses the AI system generating insights based on the data it has analyzed. These insights have the potential to guide the investigation in a new and promising direction, offering fresh perspectives that could ultimately lead to the resolution of the case. While the utilization of AI comes with its inherent limitations, it also brings forth new angles to approach various cases. A notable example is in Indiana, where augmented reality was employed to unravel a murder and missing person case that had perplexed investigators for years. AI technology has the potential to offer novel perspectives on unresolved cases, unveil probable suspects, and provide grieving families with the closure they seek. If the effectiveness of AI in this particular case is substantiated, law enforcement is optimistic that it could prove instrumental in solving even older cases that have long been relegated to obscurity. And AI doesn't confine its abilities to unraveling mysteries on Earth, but extends its reach to the cosmic expanse of the universe. The observable elements in the universe, including stars, planets, and galaxies, constitute less than 5% of the total mass and energy present. This enigmatic nature of dark matter and dark energy, which make up the vast majority of the cosmos, continues to baffle scientists. Dark matter plays a crucial role in binding galaxies and galaxy clusters together, while dark energy propels the ever-accelerating expansion of the universe. Despite the observable effects of these phenomena on astronomical observations, directly observing dark matter and dark energy remains a formidable challenge, limiting our ability to comprehensively study the majority of the universe. To indirectly study dark matter, scientists employ methods such as gravitational lensing. This involves observing the bending of light from distant stars as it passes through a galaxy or cluster. The gravitational pull exerted by the matter within the galaxy or cluster causes the light to bend, providing researchers with a tool to glean insights into the elusive properties of dark matter. Scientists at ETH Zurich, including physicists and computer science engineers, are employing artificial intelligence to enhance the precision of maps detailing the distribution of dark matter. Adopting techniques akin to facial recognition software, researchers aim to delineate the concentrations of dark matter, seeking a deeper understanding of this elusive phenomenon. Machine learning tools have been harnessed to empower the machines to autonomously recognize significant patterns associated with dark matter within maps of the universe. Given that dark matter remains invisible, astronomers rely on observing the bending of light from distant objects like galaxies as it traverses regions containing dark matter. This phenomenon, known as weak gravitational lensing, distorts the images of background objects. The distortion measurable in these images allows the creation of a gravitational map on the foreground area, unveiling the presence of dark matter. Subsequently, these maps are compared to theoretical predictions, aiding in the determination of which cosmological model aligns most closely with observational data. This technology, akin to the systems deployed in airports, border crossings, and large public events, emerges as a novel tool in the pursuit of identifying dark matter in space. As these neural networks progress, they will be applied to more extensive dark matter datasets, including initiatives like the Dark Energy Survey. The overarching questions in cosmology and astrophysics revolve around the formation, evolution, and ultimate fate of the universe. Grasping the impacts of dark matter, drawing objects together, and dark energy propelling the cosmos apart is fundamental to unraveling the nature of the cosmos, and AI stands at the forefront as a key player in resolving these enigmatic mysteries. Moreover, AI is actively involved in unraveling another mystery: UFOs. In recent times, there have been a notable surge in UFO sightings reported in the news, leaving both the media and experts puzzled about the origins of this phenomenon. NASA has taken a proactive stance by employing artificial intelligence to study these events. As disclosed in a report from last year, NASA has acknowledged more than 510 UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena, sightings throughout the years, with 144 of them still eluding explanation. This equates to an average of at least one sighting per month. Among the unexplained cases, possibilities include new experimental aircraft, cutting-edge drone technology, unusual weather phenomena, or even phenomena of extraterrestrial origin. AI is deemed crucial for the identification and understanding of these sightings. And how is AI contributing to this study? NASA's approach involves collecting, curating, and distributing data to establish a comprehensive database. This database will undergo analysis using machine learning and AI tools as outlined in the report. Similar to how neural networks have significantly contributed to fields like particle physics and astronomy, these techniques will be adapted for UAP research. However, the report cautions that the current analysis is restricted by the quality of available data. The ultimate objective is to dispel the negative perception surrounding UFOs and UAPs by instilling rigor and objectivity in the study. This is achieved by presenting factual information instead of relying on assumptions about these objects. That's all for today. If you share our excitement about the future of AI and unraveling mysteries in the universe and solving code cases, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us.